Alright, welcome everyone. Continuing my mask week. Here's our Switchblade, piloted by one Miles Mayhem in the V.E.N.O.M mask. This guy was the leader of the V.E.N.O M organization. As I covered yesterday, villainous, evil, something of mayhem. He had his mask shot out corrosive poison. And it's a fun. He had his in this form. Had a helicopter. And let's see, what'd you do? You take it, put the blades down there, swap that around. And that popped out the wings, threw the legs up. Oh, it also brought out these, and somehow these got a jet fighter, and it used to have torpedo bombs or something. They would drop out of there. I haven't found those like almost there. And of course, as always, gotta have the logo of the super secret spy organization on the side of your vehicle. This one, I'm trying to think, is there no major interior details, a couple of stickers, and obviously a one-man fighter. This one, not the dirtiest one I've had so far, but it definitely needs a little bit of TLC to get it cleared up, maybe, hopefully. Got some. That's the good thing about these things being the dirty part is that they're not. It's all surface stuff. It just comes right off. So that's nice. All the nooks and crannies is all the problem with it. Oh, I forgot to show you you can't. That's how I used to land the airplane. Just pop the skids back down. This is. I don't have any special memories about this one. I did think it was a pretty cool fighter jet, and I also thought the helicopter was pretty cool too. So it's sort of, let's fold the wings back. Fold the wings back. Oh yeah, they lock in. There's a little tab right there, and you just gotta pop the wings into there. And these just push back in, just like these, and that pops up. And it does have, you could make the propeller go, or I guess rotor. That's not a propeller, that's a rotor. And that's a cool, simple little file. It's probably the exact same mechanism that they used on the Dragonfly for G.I. Joe. Let's see that. Didn't get a little. I still got a little schmutz over here on this side. I'll get down here where the wings were covering us there. I hope y'all are enjoying these videos. I mean, not just these mask ones, but I mean, all the video Masters of the Universe and whatnot. I guess I'm past due to put a Star Wars videos up, so I'll do that next week. I think it's Star Wars is at this point mostly figures. Most of the vehicles did not survive. A couple of them did, but actually the ones that survived are probably too big for my setup here. But like I say, that's you can look forward to Star Wars next week. That was it. It couldn't have been that much of a part of my youth, but it seems like it was. I guess because it's still going. I'm still watching The Mandalorian and all the movies that come out and everything. So I like that. But I say this is my after school activities, was watching these cartoons and seeing where I want to spend my allowance on. Okay, but that was Miles Mayhem and Switchblade from V.E.N.O.M. So, thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because that's going to keep going. I don't know how long this is going to take. But we're going to have fun the whole time. Bye.